As your business grows, your needs change. Shopify was built to change with you. When the time comes, you can upgrade your plan to unlock more features. To change your plan, log into your Shopify account and click on Settings, then click Plan. From there, you'll see all the details about the plan you're currently on. To make a change, click Change Plan. Here you'll see all the plans you can choose from. When you've decided, pick a plan. In this case, we'll choose Basic. If you're already on a paid plan, you'll see a pop-up window with high-level details of what this plan has to offer. If you're on a free trial, you will skip this pop-up and automatically be sent to the next page. On the next page, choose whether you want to pay monthly or yearly, then click Confirm Billing Cycle. Just so you know, if you're on a free trial, you won't be charged for your plan upgrade until your free trial is over. If you haven't already entered a business address and payment method into Shopify, you'll be asked to do that in these two sections. Otherwise, those sections will already be filled out for you. Now click Subscribe. And that's it. Have fun exploring all the features your new plan has to offer.